everyone, in today's video I will show how you can fix the problem to download from Chrome browser. Here you can see I am trying to download an image from my drive, but it is showing that unable to download this. So what we need to do, go to the setting, then click privacy and security. After that I'm clicking on cookies. So here you have to select allow all cookies. Now you will be able to download any file from your Chrome browser. I'm showing you, see, I am downloading the picture and it is showing the part where I want to download, and I am downloading this, download complete, and it has been shown in my folder. Thank you. For more video, please subscribe and do share the video. Thank you.